It's shedding. Are you taking pictures?
Yeah.
Yoko na
usimwachilie.
Tikuseo. Kendo kike December. Bituke.
Yeah. Hi guys, the Queen of Adventures here, and today we are going to learn and explore about snakes. So come with me, let's explore together. I got to a position where the snake handler was getting impatient with me, but again, at the same time, he was patient with me because I believe he has seen so many cases like mine. And of course, this is something that I've never seen. I only see it in Nat Geo. So, what do you expect from me?
It's easy.
Ooh. Okay.
Night's nice. Night's easy.
Okay, sorry, I'm sure you guys come. Let's do it together. Haya sawa.
Shikilia.
Unampira nini?
Finally, I did it, but guess what was my reaction and my response?
It's hard. These days. Usinirushia!
I know some of you are asking, why don't you put it down or why don't you leave? You can't put the tail down because it might hit you with the tail and you end up having some injuries. Remember, this is a python that I'm holding. Pythons use their sharp teeth to kill prey and wrap a coil around it to prevent it from moving. Now that was ringing in my mind. Another thing, pythons are non-venomous. They cannot kill you unless provoked. It's one of the largest snakes that grows up to 25 feet. That's roughly 7.5 meters. Oh my God.
Now put it on your neck. It's easy now.
Why is it coiling? Okay. Guys,
Shika hapo kwengine.
finally.
There.
Please hold it. It's coming. Gosh! Something is moving inside. Aya, please. It's shedding. Are you taking pictures?
Yeah.
Yoko na
usimwachilie.
Tikuseo. Kendo kike December. Bituke. It's a python can swallow a whole human being.
Yes, that is when they get to about the maximum size, that is 8 to 10 meters long.
So this one can swallow a whole human being. Oh my
Given
God.
the name African rock pythons, they are the longest snakes we have in Africa.
Longest snakes that we have in
Yes,
Africa.
and again, longest non-venomous snakes. No venom.
None. Are you serious?
Very serious.
Oh.
Pythons have no venom,
So if it bites you?
so they kill by squeezing or constriction. So all they do, they will strike to bite very fast. They coil around. They constrict the animal up to the end of the animal, or up to their last breath.
There are two of them.
Another one down there.
It's there. And there. So it's like there are four of them, or this one?
There are two.
Oh.
There are two.
And this one. So what do they feed on?
Here we feed them on rabbits. That is once a month.
Once a month.
So remember, they will always feed on anything that they come across the world.
Oh.
Mostly found in the rocky areas and near river banks.
Oh, that's why you have some rocks over here.
Not these ones, but the pythons.
Oh, the python. Oh.
Because they hunt by waiting for the other animals when they're coming to look for food, and then for shade, and then they're gonna have their food.
Okay.
On this side we have cobras. If you look on the glass here, we have got some spits.
Oh, so it's, what is it?
So
Like
if
this
you look
spits.
on the glass, this half spits.
Oh,
This
yeah.
is venom.
Oh, this is venom.
Red spitting cobra.
In the cave,
It is. It's a red cobra.
it's a red spitting cobra. This is several national parks. National park. And others.
And Masai Mara? Because I was in Masai. I thought cobra is a big.
Big seal. It opens up its face.
Like such. So for cobras, they are known to spit, and this is the most aggressive spitting cobra that we have in Kenya. Yeah. So
Everything is just aggressive.
and I will show you the hood, yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Apart from spitting, they bite.
They bite. They literally bite. Oh my god. Egyptian cobra.
It's an Egyptian cobra.
Like the goddess.
So from this stretch to that stretch, we have cobras. So for the cobras, we have different types. We have the spitting cobras.
Oh my god.
So the one which is here is the spitting cobra.
Oh, it shows now. They sleep.
So for the red spitting cobra,
They only sleep on the
spit in the
Remember, he is getting up
compared to
because
the
of the infrared light he has vomiting.
because Egypt is hot, right?
No, he's not given Egyptian because he's from Egypt. He's Kenyan.
Oh, it's just the breed.
It's a breed, but there is always so many myths and so many stories about him.
But why does he need to get to the infrared? Is it that it's a bit colder?
Yeah, down here, remember back here we have a forest.
Oh.
So the area here is a bit cold, so we have to keep them warm.
Okay.
And finally down here.
This is what you used to. This is what you used for, right? Ile forest. Eastern forest cobra.
Now you have to take in mind these cobras. Their bite must be treated as a serious medical emergency. These two are non-spitting. The red one is spitting.
Yeah, the red one is spitting.
And others we are going to find here they are spitting.
Okay.
So for this guy, mostly you'll find it on anthills and in the forest. And this is the only snake that once it will sense you, it will never walk away from you. It stays in the same region. If you walk close and
Whether
try
you
to
provoke
touch,
it or not.
they don't bite if you don't provoke it, but it stays in the same
I
region.
can't
They
believe
never
such
walk away
information
from you.
because now I can't joke with such information. How? How? Immediate amputation. Okay. Oh, there's red spitting and brown spitting.
Brown spitting cobra.
Okay, but I love the red one. Looks good.
The red one, Kurudi.
The red one, Yvonne. The red one looks good, right? But now,
Oh, yes, I see it. It's in the corner.
hey. Oh, is it painful? What's happening? Oh, it has some black mouth. Seen it?
That's why it's given the name Black Mamba.
Oh,
That just come out of its mouth though down there.
is it painful?
I have no idea.
Did you swallow something bad? Oh my god.
Vomiting is normal. Maybe you swallow something or you drink something and then it affects the discomfort.
Black mamba. It's called black mamba because of the mouth. That's what he has told me. Oh my god. You can only, but I can't see the what do you call it? Fangs. Yeah.
The fangs.
Are they being removed?
No. So the fangs are here.
Oh, it's
If you look on top of the mouth, there are some two things protruding.
yeah.
Yeah. So that is where the fangs are located.
Hey, it's really suffering. What's happening? This is poisonous.
That's very normal.
Oh, that's what has been disturbing him.
I'm not really sure.
Okay. So guys, this is what has been released from all that drama. Yes.
Again, pain is a type of venom, and you find it is saliva.
It's like, oh. What's happening? Why can't be friendly with a woman alone?
Wow, okay. It's not relaxing. No.
This cage we have the same type of a snake, given the name large brown spitting cobra. These are the biggest cobras we have in Kenya and in Africa, where they're distributed in coastal regions of Kenya. It is not aggressive at all, but they have venom.
Does it have two heads? I mean, there are two. Oh, there are two. As like when it has two heads.
We have two snakes. Where they're distributed in the coastal regions of Kenya. Look at the shape of the head.
Yeah.
I forgot to say. It is studying to look like it is diamond shape.
Yeah.
Like triangular.
Yes.
Anytime you come across any snake, the head is diamond or triangular in shape. That one is a venomous snake to encounter.
Oh. So you people assume that I'll have the time to look
at
snake and be like, do you have diamond head or not?
But it is very easy for you to identify cobras because whenever they show up the hood,
Oh yeah, it opens up.
then it will tell you. But again, you need to keep in mind that other snakes like the black mamba will still show you the hood. There's a thread in this place.
Oh, it's coming. It's coming.
They do. They first show the hood as threat.
So if I tap this glass, will it show the hood?
Not really.
They are coming.
Not too much.
Oh, you said
they're not nice.
What sense?
They are sensing.
So that is why you see all the snakes that
They are sensors.
they use them
So they feed on.
mice and chicks inside here, but out there they will feed on any rodents they come across with.
Okay. It's lifting its head.
So,
It's lifting the head. Wow. So if it's going to take water. Oh, so it can even sense the water.
yes.
If you want to see it going through the water.
My goodness.
Kuna huko nyuma, so hii na hiyo ni the same.
Oh, but this one is bigger.
So this one it will grow to a point that it can spread out like that.
If provoked, it is going to spread the neck like that.
And the one is not imezificha. I mean, it's just the skin that elongates
And large.
and enlarge. It's
So this one is
shading, peeling.
And the last type of a cobra, not really highly aggressive, but has got the same adaptations with the red spitting cobra, given the name black-necked spitting cobra for the neck, because they have got a black hood.
This one is out here pretending to be asleep. The snakes.
Remember, reptiles have got tendency of pretending they are asleep or dead, and that is how they hunt food.
They pretend they are sleeping
All
so
dead.
that they can hunt.
Yes. Remember, when an animal will see, or maybe a nice rat can come up to this point,
Yeah.
and then they get their food very easy. Again, shedding is always as a result of maybe growth and development, keeping off parasites, change of weather, and others.
So this skin just decomposes. I mean, you guys like take it out. And it
That's
sheds.
right.
Oh.
Yes.
Mtoto is not
So remember, whatever they use, not this one.
Oh.
Now it is the real actual thing.
Oh, they like kill the snake and then now use. Oh, no, it's very expensive.
See, look at it, Yvonne.
Yvonne.
No.
I have finally done it. This was my longest fear, and I faced my fear. And let me tell you, Kyoko is such a good person. Where is it going?
Still back home. The second cage there.
Oh, the second cage.
What are you looking at?
So that thing is cold, has scales, and it's moving. I felt a lot of, I think, bones. I don't know. My experience after that, my heart is still panting. But, okay, I don't think I can keep snakes. but at least I have done it. Yes, yes, yes. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Yes, yes.
Yes.